Good morning, student. Myself Roji, your IP teacher. Today, I will explain you more terms related to the networking. In previous class, we have already discussed the different type of topology used in the network. Today, we will discuss more concept of computers networking. Okay, students. Different type of topology that we have discussed in previous class are bus topology, ring topology, star topology, mesh topology, tree topology. Bus topology. Bus topology is also known as a linear topology. In linear topology, all the nodes are connected to the single cable line. Other we have discussed that ring topology. Ring topology means there are the circular arrangements of the networks. Means each networks are connected to the two neighboring nodes. Other topology are star topology. In star topology, all the nodes or workstations are connected to the central hub, and the structures of this topology is just like a star topology. Another one is a mesh topology. Mesh topology is also known as fully connected networks in which each nodes are connected to the other nodes. Means there are point connection between the each workstations. The mesh topology, also known as a fully connected topology, fully connected networks. There are maximum alternatives. There are so many alternative paths between the two consecutive nodes. Next, we have already discussed the tree topology. In tree topology, there are the root nodes through which the other nodes are connected. The structure of this topology is just like a tree. And today we will discuss few concepts of internet. What do you mean by the internet? Internet means internet is also known as the international networks. It is also known as the networks of networks. It is the global system interconnected computer networks that uses the internet protocol, that is TCP/IP protocols. TCP/IP protocols, we have already discussed that TCP protocols means transmission control protocols, and IP means the internet protocols. Means these protocols basically used to send the data packet from the source to destinations. At the source computers, the TCP protocols is responsible for divide the datagram into the different packets, and each packet consists of the data and the sender and the receiver IP address. Here the sequence number is also maintained. After packeting the each datagrams, the IP protocols is responsible for providing the route from source to destinations. At the destinations, the TCP protocols is responsible for reassemble the packets according to make a complete messages. Internet protocol, TCP/IP protocols means the transmission control protocols and internet protocols. In internet protocols, internet means the networks of networks. The origins of the internet date back to the developments of the packet switching research commissioned by the United States Department of Defense in 1960. There are few concepts related to the internet. Okay, the first concept is the what do you mean by the URL? What is the URL? URL means Uniform Resource Locators. Uniform resource locator means it is the address of resource on the internet and the protocol used to access it. Means the resource in URL also we consider the address of the resource. The URL also consists of the protocols. It also the URL contains the following information. First one is the protocol used to access the resource. Second one is the locations of the server. This location also represented in the form of number addressing system, that is the IP address, and the domain naming system. Third one is the port number. This port number is optional for the servers. And fourth one is the locations in the directory structures of the server. Suppose here we have written that http colon double slash www.google.com slash default htm means the protocol used for accessing these web pages is the http protocol, means hypertext transfer protocols. Second means describe the domains or IP address, means google.com. It is a domain name for accessing these particular resources. The complete is known as the URL of a web page. URL of a web page means starting from the protocols and end with the .html dot file extensions. And similar way, the DNS of these web pages are the www.google.com. Means this part define the DNS of a web page. DNS means the domain name systems. Actually, any website is accessed by the either using the IP address or using the domain name. It is not possible to remember the IP address of each and every website. So we use the domain name. Domain name can also be searched using the search engine techniques. And it is very easy to search any website using the search criteria or using the text. So domain name actually any website works with the IP address, but here one concept is working, that the domain name resolutions DNR. And what do you mean by the DNR? Then DNR means the DNR is a process. DNR is a process that map the IP address, map the domain name to corresponding IP address. Okay, domain name resolutions. DNR means domain name resolutions. Domain name resolutions means it is a process that map the domain name to corresponding IP address. Next, we will discuss the World Wide Web. What do you mean by the World Wide Web? The World Wide Web, it is also a part of the internet that contains the websites and web pages. Means World Wide Web, it is also known as the web search. Means it is a part of internet. It is one important and very powerful services provided by the internet. It was invented in 1989 and the invented by the Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee means who www was invented by the Tim Berners-Lee. The Tim Berners-Lee created a new markup language. That markup language is known as the HTML that you have already discussed, that you have already studied in class 10. Means Tim Berners-Lee developed the World Wide Web, and he also it's also created a markup language that is known as the HTML. That is, this markup language is used to create a website, used to create a web page. Means by using the HTML, we can create a web page. And when we combine the different web page, then we make a website. Means HTML is a markup language used to create a website. We can use other scripting language or other concept along with the HTML to make the web page more attractive. Okay, students, here we will consider the World Wide Web. It is a global collections. It is a global collections of document, image, multimedia, applications, other resources, and interrelated by the hyperlinks. Means the World Wide Web means in a World Wide Web, www means it is a global collections. Global collections means there are so many documents, so many images, so many multimedia, other applications, other related information, and these all are interrelated using the hyperlink. And we can access the any informations in the World Wide Web. Means what do you mean by the hyperlinks? Means the hyperlinks is a text. When we click that particular text, we will get the other informations. It is also known as we will get the other informations, the text that become the hyperlinks, are different from the other text, and the hyperlinks text uh, color of hyperlink text are different with the other text appeared in a web page. Okay, students, now the software that is used to view the World Wide Web, it is also known as the web browser. Means web browser is a client. Web browser is a web client. By using the web browser, we can view, we can see the content of World Wide Web. Okay, it is also known as web client. Web client means we have there are so many web browsers we are using day by day, just like Internet Explorer is a common web browsers. You can use Google Chromes. You can use Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Apple Safari. There are so many web browsers. Means web browser just like a program. Web browser is a software that is used to access the www, World Wide Web. Okay, next class we will discuss the email. Means what is the email and what are the purpose of email. Means there are so many services there are so many internet services, and email is one of the most important services of internet. Means services just like email. Other services are video conferencing, e-learning, e-commerce, e-banking, social networking. These all are the service provided by the internet. Means by using the internet, we will discuss so many, we will learn and we have studied so many technology that makes our task very easier. Okay, students, next class we will discuss the email. Today, one thing I want to explain you that what is the web page and what is the website. Means web page is a single page created using the program HTML. Mention that when we will create a program using the HTML, the page that we saved with the file extension .htm, it becomes the web page. And when we combine all the web page, then we can create a website using a using the related web page. Suppose you want to create a website of your school. That means you will have to create so many web page related to the topic that is your schools. That means what is the what will be the history of your school, what is the mm, mm, uh, what will be the result, what are the other modules that you want to be in your website. That means the academic, examination, transport, about us, contact us, means so many terms related to the websites. And by combining the all web page, we can create a website. Means website is a collections of web page, and web page is a single page created using the HTML programming language. Means HTML is a hypertext markup language. It is used to create a web page. Okay, students, thank you. In next class, we will discuss the email.